Hi there, y'all. I'm Fong with Be the Change Consulting, and I'm here to share some curriculum with you all today. The activity that I'm highlighting is coming from Building Intentional Community, Experiential Activities to Develop Critical Thinkers, aka our red box. So this activity is called Communication Maps. The objective is to build community and communication and really to have fun. All of our curriculum was created so you can do in-person experiential activities so folks can embody the experience. And we have found that many of them can be pivoted virtually. So this one in particular, folks are going to get into groups and the facilitator is going to find an object and they're just going to describe it. And as they're describing the object, folks are going to draw the image with a writing utensil and a piece of paper. The thing is, the participants cannot ask any questions. Upon completion, the facilitator will put folks into breakout groups, and collectively the group is going to figure out and ask questions among themselves to see if they know what the object is. Once you bring folks back, each group can ask one clarifying question, and at the very end, folks can put their answer into the chat box and you can see who figured out what the activity was. What's so much fun about this is because this really highlights our ways of communicating and understanding where it gets kind of hard on the virtual space. There's debrief questions like, how does this activity teach us about communication? Why is it important to ask questions? And so many more. So try it out and let us know what you think.